today I am making Oreo cake.
To make Oreo cake, you need chocolate chips, Oreo biscuits, milk, sugar, and one bowl, spatula or spoon, and a microwave in which you can bake it in 2 minutes. Now, next step is to separate the cream and Oreo in bulk. Separate in one bowl a cream and the other bowl the Oreos. Now, this pot will make your cakes very delicious. Now, crush the Oreos and don't eat it.
Mix it good.
Now you add some milk in it. It's your choice. You add hard milk or cold milk and make a smooth paste. Yeah, exactly. There's some magic cake. Now put your Now add separate white cream in it and mix it well. Now put your bowl or mug in microwave and wait for the magic. See, it's ready! Yay! And now you can add, according to your choice, some chocolate chips, Oreos, some sprinkles, or chopped chocolate spread, and now you can enjoy your cake. This is very delicious cake and all kids can make it. It's so easy recipes. I am 7 years old and making this cake since I was 6 years old. If I can make it, then you can make it also. I will share more food videos, cooking videos on my channel. This is so easy recipe. Must try this.
Follow for more easy 2 minutes recipes. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video.